Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a bootable Windows 10 USB flash drive. So you'll need to go to your browser and you want to search up something called Media Creation Tool and then Windows 10. Now from here, you just have to go to the Microsoft's official website. It'll be called Download Windows 10 This Image ISO file. Just click on this. Now, once you clicked on this, you just want to scroll down and then you want to find this particular section. Create Windows 10 installation media. Just click on download now, and then it'll download really fast since it's a small program. Just click on this, click on yes, and then it will run a media creation tool like this. Now let's just wait while it gets a few things ready. Once it gets a few things ready, you'll be presented with the terms and conditions like this, the applicable notice and license terms. You just have to click on accept. Don't press decline because if you press decline, it'll close the program. Just click on accept. Again, it'll get a couple of things ready first. On this screen, you want to make sure you click on create installation media and not upgrade this PC now. So just create an installation media, click on next, and then you can select what kind of edition and language it has and also the architecture. I'm just going to click on use the recommended options for this PC. So it'll be English, Windows 10, and it's 64-bit. Click on next. Again, it's going to get a few things ready. Let's wait for it. Now, unfortunately, right now, the USB I plugged in don't have enough free disk space here. But if you have a USB that's 8 gigabytes and it's completely empty, you can do the Windows 10 installation media creation tool process until it's finished. But I'm going to stop here. The rest of the process is pretty easy. It'll just automatically install it for you. And then after that, you will have a Windows 10 installation media right there on your USB drive. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.